All right, let's go let them chickens out. So I kind of wanted to talk to y'all and tell y'all, you know, I'm still working as much as I was before. Pretty much I get a little bit more time, a little bit more break, but I am still gonna try and do my best to semi-run a homestead type outfit this year. I am gonna plant gardens. I'm gonna do my best to keep up with them. A few things I'm scaling back on, and that's not as many tomatoes this year, but I anticipated that I was gonna actually lose my job because our hospital sold us to another hospital. I thought they were gonna be shutting down. Well, I don't see that happening in the immediate future. So I was planning on shifting to full-time homesteading and just doing things as homesteading, selling products that are chicken eggs, chickens, stuff like that. I was gonna move into that and just transition over to full-time homesteading. Well, the job ain't going away. So I decided to keep it, you know, and it's well, not decided to keep it, but since it was there, I'm not gonna just quit. And so here I am. I had anticipated. Look at him running after that chicken. It's that hen. So anyway, long story short, I'm still employed at the hospital, and I don't foresee me changing any of that anytime soon. I need to come see what's in here. Yeah, that's empty. I need to bring this back out. I need this. Yeah. I hope the bottom ain't rusted out on anything else. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna wash that off and try and do a couple little things to this to fix this up a little bit. So I can put some bags of grain in there. Come back and get that bucket later. Oh, you think I got them excited? So yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. I'm like a, what they call that, the road runner. Anyway, so I'm still working more than ever. I'm just gonna 2 days out of the week I get home before the sun is down. You can't homestead like that, but you can try. And I do things at night, tilling fields at night, feeding chickens at night, collecting eggs at night, watering at night. You can do things at night, and that's what I've been doing. So it's kind of hard to make a video at night. I did a couple of them a while back, but I just ain't gonna video as much. But when I can, I'm gonna show you all the things that's going on.